precious words drift away from the meaning, and the sun melts the chill from our lives, helping us all to remember what we came here for. This is love. This is la 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 love. This is love. This is la 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 love. Little things that will change you forever may appear from way out of the blue, making fools of everybody who don't understand. This is love. This is la 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 love. This is love. This is la 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 love. This is love. This is since our problems of being our own creation, they also can be overcome when we use the power provided free to everyone. This is love. This is la 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 love. This is love. This is la 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 love. This is love. This is la 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 love. This is love. This is la 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 love. This is love. This is la 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 love. This is love. This is la 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 love.
A domesticated girl, that's all you ask of me. Darling, it is no joke, this is lycanthropy. The moon's awake now, with eyes wide open. My body is craving, so feed the hungry. I've been devoting myself to you Monday to Monday and Friday to Friday. Not getting enough retribution or decent incentives to keep me at it. I'm starting to feel just a little abused, like a coffee machine in an office. So I'm gonna go somewhere cozy to get me a lover and tell you about it. Here's how she was in the closet. Open up and set us free. Here's how she was in your closet. Let it out so it can breathe. teacher, and I'm her student. To look at the single man, I got on me a special radar. On the fire department hotline in case I get in trouble later. Not looking for cute little divas or rich city guys that just want to enjoy. Having a very good time and behave very bad in the arms of a boy.